I love birds and consider myself a bit of a birder. And the one thing I remember, though, has nothing to do with birds. I was in a off-the-grid cabin. That's where I lived for a few days. And I remember at night trying to sleep and the sound of the wind just buffeting the window. It would just shake it and you could feel it in the whole cabin. I remember getting up and looking out the window and I'd see these freighter ships anchored way out in the lake, waiting out the storm. The whitecaps and the waves pounding the shore, and the sound was just, you really knew that nature and the elements had the upper hand out there.